So to make the ice cream stick shelf, you are going to need hot glue and some ice cream sticks. I have got 33 ice cream sticks here. So take 3 ice cream sticks and simulate a triangle with it. Then apply hot glue on each end of the ice cream stick and stick it. Make sure the joint is uniform. If it's non-uniform, it affects overall look of our mini shelf. Now we have a foundation. Pour a drop of hot glue on each end of the stick that has same base. In this case, it's the one I am applying the glue. This step is very important. There should always be a 1 stick space between each layer. Then only it will have a uniform structure. After applying the hot glue on the base of the shelf, place the ice cream stick carefully on top. Okay, we have to continue this process until we have at least 11 layers of ice cream sticks on each side. You can increase the thickness or the number of sticks on each side as you wish, it doesn't matter. This is the final piece, and when it's done, we are going to have ourselves a mini shelf. You can build as much as triangular shelf you want and can use it as a room decor. I have made three of it. Okay, in this shelf you can keep your keys, your wallet or paint or any small things that you want to keep. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.